Hello everyone, this is Samir. Welcome back to my channel EasyGate. Now we are going to discuss about types of capacitors. Before going to discuss about types of capacitor, you need to remember one very important point, that is capacitor does not allow the sudden changes in voltage. Capacitor does not allow the sudden changes in voltage. That means V of 0 plus is equal to V of 0 minus. And similarly, Q of 0 plus is equal to Q of 0 minus, and EC of 0 plus is equal to EC of 0 minus, because it will does not allow the sudden changes in charge as well as energy, because these two are in the form or in the functions of voltage only. Okay, now come to the types of capacitor. In basically we are having two types of capacitor. First one is energized capacitor and second one is unenergized capacitor. First one is energized capacitor and second one is unenergized capacitor. Now come to the first one, that is energized capacitor. Now come to the first one, that is energized capacitor. I am considering this figure. This is the energized capacitor. That means the initial voltage is not equal to 0. The initial charge is not equal to 0. That means the initial energy also not equal to 0, which is called as a energized capacitor. From the previous lecture, we already know that the voltage expression of the capacitor is nothing but V of t is equal to 1 by C integration minus infinity to t I of t dt. This integration is called as dynamic integrator or memory integrator, right? If I want to split this limits into two parts, we will get V of t is equal to 1 by C integration minus infinity to 0 I of t dt plus 1 by C integration 0 to t I of t dt, right? These limits, you can observe these limits, these are from minus infinity to 0. This limits is nothing but minus infinity to 0. That means these are the limits of initial, right? The initial condition limits. And this is nothing but a voltage expression. That means this is the initial voltage of the capacitor, right? We'll get and we are denoting this initial voltage with Vc of or Vc of 0 minus. We can denote with V of 0 minus also. We will get V of t, that means energized capacitor voltage V of t is equal to V of 0 minus plus 1 by C integration 0 to t I of t dt, right? This is the energized capacitor voltage expression. Okay, this is all about the energized capacitor. Now we will try to discuss about unenergized capacitor, right? Now look at the unenergized capacitor. In this figure you can see that I am considering an unenergized capacitor. That means initial voltage is equal to 0, initial charge is equal to 0. That means initial energy also 0. This is nothing but a unenergized capacitor. We if I want to find out the voltage expression of this unenergized capacitor, that will become V dash of t is equal to 1 by C integration 0 to t I of t dt, because here V of 0 minus will become 0 volts, right? This is nothing but a voltage expression of unenergized capacitor, right? Now come to the second point. If I want to convert this energized capacitor into the unenergized capacitor, how we will convert that? We need to keep a voltage source series with the capacitor of value initial voltage, right? If I want to convert energized capacitor into unenergized capacitor, we need to keep a voltage source in series with the capacitor of value initial voltage, right? Now basically the voltage of energized capacitor is nothing but initial voltage plus the unenergized capacitor voltage. This is all about the types of capacitor. Now look at the practical capacitor. You can see that this is the representation of a practical capacitor. That means a capacitor in parallel with resistor is called as a practical capacitor, which is also called as lossy capacitor. If we want to convert this practical capacitor into ideal capacitor, we need to keep this resistance as infinity. That means we need to keep here a open circuit, right? R will become infinity, which is called as a ideal capacitor. This is all about the capacitors, okay, inductors and resistors. Okay, we have discussed about the analysis of RLC elements. If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.